इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृत्ति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन।
मूलायक तीर्थंकर शांतिनाथ भगवान, परम पूज्य आचार्य गुरुदेव आदि सागर जी, अंकलीकर स्वामी, परम पूज्य आचार्य श्री महावीर कीर्ति महाराज, परम पूज्य आचार्य भगवान विमल सागर जी महाराज, परम पूज्य तपस्वी सम्राट आचार्य सन्मति सागर जी महाराज, परम पूज्य आचार्य भगवान चतुर्पट्टाधीश सुनील चाचा जी महाराज। I bow my head in front of these all lotus feet, and in this Vayana sorrow, there's a symbol, indication of the person whose dedication, devotion in his mind and heart. The person who is first time, oh, Shantinath Bhagwan, whenever any word, this holy word enters in his ear, within seconds, Shantinath Bhagwan, Shantinath Bhagwan. Like this should be the expression. This should be feeling, thought and emotion in your mind. Vayana sorrow. Okay. After some time, when he will open the book, when he read the scripture, when he understand, then he will follow, that thing will turn in mind, in heart, in soul, he will implement this after something after some time, but within seconds, then suddenly it will enter, that word enter firstly in your mind. This should be your body language, your expression of face should be changed. Acha she told, Padamo apasantiti parasanti dutuyago tadiyo logo santiti santi pathakamo imo santi pathakamo imo. In this 10th stanza, 10th gatha of this Vayana sorrow, basically this book is in Prakrit language, not in Sanskrit, otherwise any Hindi language. This is a different matter. In some languages, persons are trying and translate it, also translated in Hindi and English and other languages. But basically, it's Achashi wrote this book in Prakrit language. You know what is Prakrit language? Namokar mantra. And Namokar mantra is not Sanskrit language, it is in Prakrit language. You know what is Prakrit language? Prakrit language is more ancient than Sanskrit language. Prakrit language is more ancient than Sanskrit language. So many linguists, so many persons who are expert in language, they proved it. Okay. So Acharya is telling, Acharya is declaring, here is the sequence of peace of mind, peace, different types of peace, stages of peace. And you can say that is the evolution stages of peace, evolution stages of humanity. There is no peace, there is no humanity. If the peace is there, you can create any structure to create any success in your life. So that is the this book is especially for success, for any type of materialistic or spiritual religious success. That is telling what is the way, what is sequence. Suppose any kid is there. Any kid is there, in second standard, third standard, so both things should be there. Firstly, he will wear inner, then after he will pant and shirt. But suppose he is changing sequence. Firstly, he is wearing the pant and shirt, and after that kid is wearing inners. So what will happen? No, it's not be. His or her friends, they will laugh on that person. So Acharya is telling Padamo Upsantiti. Firstly, Atma Shanti. Atma Shanti means inner peace. That is the first stage of your life. When there is no inner peace, your mind is not peaceful, there is no thought and emotions which are delivering you peace. Firstly, if you will peaceful, you can teach any person. Firstly, you will transform. Your life will create something new, zones, new possibilities in your life. Then you can deliver the same thing. Suppose there is no peace, your body language, and every time, whole life, last breathe your life with each and every person, you're not peaceful, then who will tell you that you're a religious person? Who will tell you that you will get success? Nobody can predict. Even nobody, leave it nobody. But you will not predict. You will not feel the belief and confidence that I get the success. That is seed of success. What is? Firstly, peace. Without peace, two things is there in English. Peace of mind and pieces of mind. So Acharya is telling, oh, fantastic thing. There's a sequence, Padma. Padma means first. Who is the first? Don't know who is the first? Then problems will arise in your life. You entered any premises, you entered any office, that is the, consider that is a political office. So many leaders are there, but you don't know who is the head, who is the leader, who is the first person. If you leave the first person and you will discuss with second or third or any other person, you can't cause the result in your life. So there should be power in your eyes. So you should create the power of that power in your eyes. That, and the second thing is recognizing who the chairperson, who is the main, who is the head of this premises, of this building, of this society, of this community. Then second thing is there, give the proper response and honor to that person. Two things is there. In Samay Sar, as a Nikun Swami told so fantastic thing. This karta and karma. Karta means a doer. Karma means subject and object. So both are different things. Subject and object both are different things. Somebody is there, he is doing act of anger. So anger is different, and anger is different, and the person is doing that thing. That person is different. That soul is different. That is the Bhed Vigyan. If it's like this, we will bifurcate this thing in two part, then surely we'll get the peace of mind in your life. If you are condemning, blaming to each and every time, oh, that person is very angry, nah, don't tell, don't use angry person, don't use this word, angry person, use that, okay, that person get anger. So many times or sometime, this person, that person can't get anger. Otherwise, anger arise in myself so many times. It's okay if effort is proper. But you are telling, I am angry? No. Don't give this much tag. Karta and karma adhikar. Karta is different, karma is different. Subject is different, object is different. Don't collapse both things. By collapsing these both conversations from so many births, there's vicious cycle of death and birth, death and birth, death and birth. And as this way, you're getting distance, this is more distance, more distance from truth, from the ultimate, from the God. So that is the first thing. Padamo pasantiti, prasanti diti yugu. The second stage of that peace, that is for other. If you will transform your life, if there is peace on your face, in your mind, not only, you're not pretending. Some persons are there. The world fame quotation is a fake it, make it. That's a different criteria. I'm not telling about that context. My context is different. I'm telling if you're peaceful, so the person who is surrounding you, your family persons, your neighbors, your person of your society, where you're going, what you're doing, business, job, wherever you go, surely you will spread it. Consider, that is Amavasya. Suppose today is Amavasya, there is no moon, totally darkness is there. Consider, I am telling about 10th century, 11th century. There was no light, there was no electricity. Consider, there is no lantern, there is no deepak, there is no light, there is nothing, there is no light. And at that moment, consider, he is deepak on your palm. He is deepak on your palm. Deepak in your palm. And you're going to your neighbor. And you want to spread darkness. Is it possible? No, never. If you light, then surely you will spread the light. For darkness, They'll spread the darkness. If stinking thought is there, and you will pretend to create the fragrance in any other person's life, it's not possible, even not possible in dreams. So that is the way to live the life powerfully. So Acharya is telling, firstly, peace of mind in own self. Then you can deliver to any other person. In Hindi, nanga kya nahayega, kya nichodega. Means the person who is starving, who has no food, how can he deliver, how can he donate the food to any poor and needy person? He is starving, he has no food, he has no shelter. So how can he provide all basic infrastructure to any other person, to community and society? Charity is not possible for that person. Leave the charity, but his own family person, he can't give anything to his own family person, because the deficiency of money, lack of money, he's not getting food. So that is the first thing. Peace comes from within, from inside to outside. That is the real way. If knowledge is there, if harmony is there, if rhythm is there, if music is there, fragrance is there, then the same thing, knowingly or unknowingly, you don't like or not, you like or not, you want it or not, but fragrance is in your heart and your mind. If music is, melodies in your heart and mind, surely you will do the same thing, like conjunctivitis disease. Conjunctivitis, eye suffering, suppose he is both eye or one eye suffering. So just only to see any person, to gaze any person is enough. There is no need to hug, otherwise there is no need to do something other with any person. Just you will see, you will gaze any person, and surely that person also will affected. That infection automatically deliver, transfer in that person's eye. The same thing is there in the spiritual world. Same thing happens in mental, emotional layer of your existence. If you are feeling joy, happiness, surely you will deliver the same to any other person. So that is the way. First stage, that is inner peace. Second stage, peace for other person. And the third stage, tadiyo logo santutti. Then log shanti. But a world peace. So many persons, they are trying too much to create peace in world. But how it is possible? If you don't know what is the peace of mind? Peace is stranger for you. For peace, you are a stranger. Nah, that is not be. That is not be. When it starts, it's asked from within. That is the main thing. That is the great way. That is the great way to get whatever, to actualize it all dreams. If you want to manifest any dream, that is the way. Any obstacle, no much how big that obstacle is here. Maybe that berry is bigger, more big than Himalaya, than any other mountain. But if peace is there now, so okay, peace is there, if dedication, devotion is there, so what will happen? Same thing is there. In outer world, the same situation, same scenario, same sin is there. But you are peaceful, then that thing will not affect something wrong in your mind and your actions. Okay, you will do action, you will create the actions. Without actions, you can't get result. And if fearful person is there, if those no confidence, no willpower, and no creative, constructive idea, whatever you will do, it will destructive. And as this way will kill your future, kill your life. So that is the way. You don't want to kill your life, you don't want to kill the other person's life, then create the peace. Dedication, Namokaranta, chanting Namokaranta. Oh, it's so fantastic, how great. You can't imagine, you can't consider. You know clue of it? If you will not chanting the Namokara mantra, you can't get the real peace. Whatever you're getting from outer world, from any activity, Okay, maybe that is happiness. That happiness coming from the things, from the places, from the persons, but it's not your happiness. It's not appearing from inner world. It's not happening. It's not creating. Soul is not creating that happiness. If any person is creating happiness, that person will run away, go away, then peace will finish. If you see some place is very peaceful place, okay, got it? That place is very peaceful place, but that place is creating peace. And it's not possible for any person to stick with any particular place. After some minutes, after some hour, after some days, you will leave that place. If whenever you will leave that place, then peace will finish. So try from within. Only one way. Lotus feet of Tirthankara. Tirthankar Adina Swami, Tirthankar Mahavir Swami. Lotus feet of Vidragi, Nirgrantha Guru. Vidragi, how great what is Vidragi? Nirgrantha, how there is no not. That is Nirgrantha. This is not clinging mind. The person is clinging mind, he can't get anything. Clinging mind is so dangerous person in this universe. What I'm telling is right. My way or highway. I told this means that finish. This is truth. What I'm realizing, what I'm experiencing, any Panditji, any Maharaji, any Guru told, when he is really superpower. Oh, my belief, my emotions, my paradigms, that's ultimate truth. And whatever you have, it's not true. If this much feeling is there, you can't go ahead, you can't create anything. You can't create any single penny in your life. So only one thing, it will create miracle in your life, peace of mind, when you will accept each and every person without any complaint, without any condition.
इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृत्ति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन।